Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll be teaching you how to make an anonymous Amazon wish list. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your Amazon app on your cell phone was updated. If you're doing that on your computer, you don't need to worry about that. And it's important to say that works for any device you have, your iPhone, your Android in your computer. And did that on my cell phone, okay? So the first step is just open your Amazon on your cell phone, okay? And right here in your Amazon, you need to tap in the three bars in the bottom and right corner, okay? After tap that, you see your wish lists, okay? And right here, all you need to do, it's simple. You need to select the wish list you want to change the privacy, okay? So after you select the wish list you want to change, it's very simple. You need to click in the three dots in the top and right corner of your screen, OK, to go to the settings of that wish list. After that, you see some options right here, and you see the second option, Manage List. So just click here. After that, you see the Manage List section, and you see the second option, Privacy. All you need to do is just click here and select Public or Private, OK? So I hope I can help with this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in our channel and hit the like button. See ya!